how to order a tappable heart on Cash App. So this is a new gimmick. You want to open up the app, then click on the bank icon at the bottom, and now right above your balance you should see get your card. So right here you will need to go and click on get your free card, and you will see different designs here for the card, and you also have the option of heart, which is going to be this one, big feelings, big style, tap to pay with heart. So you can wear it like a necklace essentially, and you will just go and tap it and you can pay that way. So it's kind of stylish, I guess. You can also give it to your cat apparently. So you have Insta-lock. You also have the specs here, so the details. They're gonna be collectible tap to pay accessories that connect your Cash App card. You will just need to tap it at checkout where Visa contactless pay is accepted. And yeah, you need to, they're not toys, they're gonna be, well, it's gonna hold your money essentially. So if you want to order it, it's going to require an NFC. So if you have an NFC already, you can order it, which is going to be connected to your account, and it's going to be put here. And for $20, I believe $25, you can get this heart. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.